Hey guys, so I'm gonna sit here. So as you all can see, you just saw my big old panza, and I can't anymore. I really freaking can't. I don't know. I tried. So I don't know what I'm gonna wear. Alright guys, so we need to have a serious talk. Hopefully you guys can see me and hopefully my background's not too dirty. But I'm putting on my shoes. These are really, really old. Not old, they're really dirty because I used them a lot. But I really love the fit. Like if I have brand new shoes in there, a lot of different tennies that I don't wear because they just hurt my feet at the gym. So I like these. They're very cute. I just need to buy another pair or probably throw these in the washer. I don't know. I don't usually wash my shoes. I just get rid of them and move on. But anyway guys, I really want to talk to you because I'm so tired. Like I'm getting old. Ugh, it's so like I could cry. But from 1 year from now, my daughter will be having her sweet 15 and I want to look so good in a dress. I want to look like a good mom, you know what I mean? Just putting on my shoes if you're wondering what I'm doing. I don't really want to go today. I went this morning. It is now 5:30 p.m. and I got home. I got done with appointments pretty early, I feel like. And my husband's not even home from work yet, so I figured I would just go to the gym. And I texted Fran, and she's gonna be going, and because I ate breakfast, a big breakfast, and then what did I do? Yeah, I ate breakfast, and then I never ate again. And just right now, I think like 30 minutes ago, I had some watermelon, and I also had one of those hazelnut chocolate candies that I just shouldn't have eaten. And oh fuck guys, I just need to get my shit together. Seriously, just need to say no to any sweets. That is like my downfall. Chips and stuff, like I don't touch it. But guys, I'm just so tired. I'm so tired of not being able to just feel good, you know, in my own skin. But I figured I would just start vlogging this. I'm gonna make this a series on my channel, so like if you don't like these type of videos, you don't have to watch it. You can just skip it, and I'll be making much more content like beauty videos and things like that. And I promise, I swear I will change the alarm in my damn thing. But I'm gonna try to do these videos for myself, for you guys too, to help you, and also for you guys to hold me accountable, so that I can be like embarrassed when I don't go to the gym, or I don't know, just gotta start taking it day by day. I really have to start eating because right now, like the last 2 weeks, I've been eating breakfast like at 7 in the morning, guys, and then I never eat again. And when I do eat, if I do eat, it's nighttime, and it's junk. Not like crazy junk, but sometimes I have like pudding pack, I have carrots, I sometimes throw in Ritz crackers, cheese. Like that's probably not good at the end of the night. So I just really need to get my life together because I'm so unhappy. Like I could seriously start crying right now. But in 1 year, girl, you'll be looking back at this and say you did it. And so I hope I can use this footage in a year from now and say that I did it. I will. So yeah, have no idea how these videos are gonna go. I don't know. I'm gonna try to vlog. Right now I'm taking my time because I'm breaking out like crazy. I am taking my time because my phone's charging and I cannot work out without music. So I gotta do my hair. And I didn't even wear makeup today, so my friend does my lashes and they're beautiful and I freaking can't. And that's all I need. I just put my hair in a ponytail. So yeah, please let me know any suggestions that you guys might have as into like what type of videos I should put on this series. I don't know if I'm gonna like be vlogging or if I'm gonna even show you what I eat. Maybe do like a day of what I eat, but it's crazy. It's hard because I have family, and I also I work a lot, and sometimes I'm not home for lunch, breakfast, whatever. But I'm thinking of just like filming things that I eat, like when I'm gonna eat, like just show you what I eat, and maybe save those clips for later. I don't really know. Like my mind's just, I don't want to weigh myself because I will be on the floor crying, and I don't want to do that today. Like my midsection is my worst. Like I feel like I'm just so big right now, and I know, poor husband, like I keep asking him, like, and I don't know, it was just like, I mean, I know I'm big, but I'm super self-conscious about it right now. Like it's just, you know, when you feel that certain way about yourself, like no matter what anybody tells you, like it can't change you, but I need to fix myself. I know I can just shed the pounds, but it's freaking hard. As I get older, I haven't even drank water. I suck at drinking water right now. There's so many things I need to do, and I don't know where to start, but we're gonna start today. Well, I've been going to the gym. I go every once in a while. I've been eating better, but god damn it. Like, do you feel the frustration I have? Like, I could punch myself. That would hurt. So yeah, I'm gonna check my phone and see if it's good to go. If it is, oh, I did bring like a little shelf in so that I can decorate. It's over there. And I think I'm gonna, like, while my phone's charging for just a little bit, I'm gonna set it up. And I do want to get it like a Christmas tree for my videos, so I can start filming, like have a little setup, you know, so that way I don't have to move everything every day. Anyway, I'm blabbering. But yeah, let me know what type of videos you want to see. I don't really know what I'm gonna do. I'm tired of, like, I'm here again, you know, like I'm always showing you guys like weight loss journey. Like I know every single thing to do, is just to be able to do it is just frustrating. So how I'm gonna start is I'm just gonna work out, and I'm just gonna see where that goes, and then slowly we'll throw food in, diets. Like I don't really know. I'm not gonna follow any specific diet. I'm gonna try to eat more fruit and veggies, and for sure drink water. So that's what I'm gonna change. I'm gonna take baby steps, and let's just get started. I don't know if I'm gonna take you with me. I feel like I would get in trouble. I don't want to even, like, I want to vlog myself in the gym, and I don't even like looking in the mirror or looking at myself, so it's really still charging my phone, and I was looking at the footage that I just filmed. Excuse my background. There is a huge ass white fan that just looks so cute right behind me, and my dresser has clean clothes on it, and it's just a mess, so let's ignore that. But I was gonna show y'all quickly, like, what type of music I listen to at the gym. What is your what is y'all's guys go-to music? Like I listen to, I like to listen to reggaeton, Ozuna Radio, Nicky Jam and Enrique Iglesias, the Chainsmokers, things like that, because I feel like this really, like, I even listen to Post Malone. It has to, like, get me going. But thought I would throw that in. That's my big fat thigh. Bye. I put up my little Christmas tree in my lash studio, whatever. This is my nail desk. I just moved everything over here. So that's like my little nail area. And then over here is my lash and facial area. I will be meeting a friend at the gym at 5:30 in the morning tomorrow. And then hopefully again at night, depending on what time I'm done with clients. I think tomorrow is kind of a longer day. No, should be out by like 7:30. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my clothes with me or bring it here. Does that make sense? But I hate that I'm totally gaining weight, and every time I ask somebody, they're like, no, you look great. I don't. I look like a big old. And look at my face is breaking out. Ugh. I'm gonna drink some water right now. Alright guys, talk to you later. Good morning guys. It is day 2 now, and it's pretty dark outside still. It's not that cold, thank God, because that's something I freaking struggle with, like getting up in the cold or getting out in the cold. This is day 2 and it is 6:21. Focus. Sorry, I'm like So it's 6:21 in the morning, and I went to the gym yesterday morning and yesterday night, and I'm pretty sure I vlogged it, but here we go again. I'm so tired. I don't know what I'm gonna cook for breakfast. I think I'm gonna cook, well, obviously eggs, but I think like eggs with avocado, and I think that's it. But this is the gym I go to. Probably doesn't focus. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna see if I can vlog inside. If I can't, this is the gym that I go to. It's like on a dirt road. I'm gonna try to vlog inside, but I don't know, guys. Look at how many cars there are. Like, I don't think I will be able to be honest. But we can try, right? Okay, talk to you guys later.
Just admit it. See, I gave you faith, turned you down into hope. Can't deny it. Now I'm all alone and my joys turn them open. Tell me, where are you now that I need you? Where are you now? Where are you now that I need you? Couldn't find you anywhere. When you broke down, I didn't leave you. I was by your side. So where are you now that I need you? Need you, need you, need you, need you, need you, need you, need you. Where are you now that I need you?
Alright, and so that's it. I thought I was gonna make the vlog longer. I'm gonna well, so I think what I'm gonna do is try to record every step of the way, like day 1 and day 2, and then that way, if I don't really know, I guess I'm gonna start it like that, day 1 and day 2, and then just go from there. So if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and thank you for watching. Bye.